Hello everyone, this is Nilima. Welcome to Nilima Entertainment. In this video, I will explain the complete assessment process with exact pattern, timings, prerequisites, and do's and don'ts. Actually, everyone is asking me this one question. What exactly happens in Cognizant Ace team assessments? How many questions? What is the duration? What do they really ask? And what mistakes will disqualify you? Let's look into the video. Aptitude assessment. This is the first elimination round. Duration is 40 minutes and there is 4 sections. The topics includes analytical and logical reasoning, critical thinking, data analysis, and numerical ability. You will receive the test link on your Superset registered email ID and you must use the same email to attempt the test. Okay? Let's look into the prerequisites. Before exam, you have to install MSP browser and check the system compatibility. Ensure webcam is working because the test is proctored. Okay, I will provide the drive link in the description box. You can read all the instructions carefully before attempting the test. Okay, coming to the do's and don'ts of aptitude round. Be fast and accurate, and management of time is very important in this round. And don't switch tabs during the test, and don't try to malpractice. And coming to the technical assessment, this is a mandatory round, most important round. Okay, the total duration of the technical assessment is 180 minutes, and there are two clusters. The cluster allocation will depend on Cognizant, so nothing to worry. In coding section, first understand coding part. In section 1, there will be a DSA coding question, one question that is around 30 minutes. The topics includes arrays, graphs and TP. And section 2, coding Angular, which is for cluster 1. Okay, and then RAG coding scenario based, which is 45 minutes. The skills includes retrieval concepts, embedding, understanding, data flow logic. Okay, and prompt engineering coding scenario based, which is also 45 minutes. Skills includes writing effective prompts. Okay, handling outputs, AI workflow thinking, and the difference between cluster 1 and cluster 2 is just React and Angular. Okay, and everything will be same. So just focus. And then coming to the MCQs, which is around 20 questions, and the time duration is 40 minutes. MCQs will test Gen AI concepts, cloud fundamentals, agentic AI basics, also basic understanding of AI tools, LLMs, system design concepts, which are basic level. Okay, you will receive assessment mail from Cognizant hiring team. So check your email regularly and don't miss this opportunity at any cost. And for coding, just practice DSA and try to learn React or Angular concepts and RAG and prompt engineering basics. For MCQs, revise AI concepts, cloud basics, and Gen AI terminology. Before the test, read all the instructions carefully and try to log in within the scheduled window and use stable internet connection. Do system readiness check before the test. Only one attempt is allowed, so be little cautious. Use safe browser. Ensure camera and mic are on. Sit in a quiet and well lit place. Keep your background plain. Don't open any other tabs during the test. You will be disqualified immediately if any kind of malpractice is detected. So be careful. And if you clear this round, you will go to in-person technical interview where your final role is decided by Cognizant, and it depends on the performance of your interview. And so hence it is a high paying AI role opportunity. Prepare smartly. Don't miss this opportunity. And if you have any queries regarding this assessment, just comment down. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nilima Entertainment. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.